Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuousskills. My name is Nancy. Happy New Year to all our new and returning subscribers. In today's video, what we have for you is easy way to prepare unripe plantain when you don't have all the time. Most time we are so busy to sit down and cook a full whole meal for the family, but on the contrary, the decision is that we must eat healthy. Then unripe plantain is one meal that is very easy and healthy for you. In whichever way you prepare or cook plantain, it is very healthy. Do you want to know how I put this plantain porridge together so easily? Then sit back, let's prepare it together. The recipes we have for the unripe plantain porridge are our peeled unripe plantain. Hope we all know how to peel our plantain. If you don't know how to peel your plantain, please drop it at the comment section. This is vegetable. It is called green in Nigeria. I don't know what other people call it though, but if you can lay your hands on green, you can use ugu, which is pumpkin leaf, cabbage, spinach, kontomire, which is cocoyam leaf. There are a lot of vegetables to use or add to your porridge to make it more healthier. This is blended scotch bonnet pepper. This is seasoned grilled mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice or protein of your choice. You can as well cook the porridge like that without any protein. It all depends on you. To get the video of this seasoned grilled mackerel fish, check it at the description box. This is homemade ginger and garlic paste, salt, seasoning cube, crayfish, onion, and palm oil. Now let's prep our plantain. Please remember that this plantain has already been washed before now. This part is very important. You must wash your plantain so that it will be clean. Okay, cut it in chunks just like so and make sure they are all equal so that they will cook at the same time. Now let's start cooking. Pour the cut plantain inside the pot. Pour some water to the level of the plantain. Cover the pot to cook until at least 80% tender. As the plantain is cooking, let's prep the vegetable, which is green. Please note, I've washed it off the camera before now, and at the same time I will also prep the onion and set aside. As I earlier said, you can use any vegetable you lay your hands on, but the taste of this green to plantain porridge is extraordinary. Try it and I bet you will really enjoy it. Now let's check the plantain again. From what I'm seeing, the plantain is halfway tender but not fully tender. Now I'll add my homemade garlic and ginger paste and stir in a bit, after which I'll add my diced onion, blended pepper, crayfish, seasoning cube, salt to taste, and palm oil. After that, I will stir in a bit, then cover and allow the plantain to cook well for at least 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes, Virtuous family. Now I will stir the plantain very well to combine, after which I will check and balance the taste, and I find out that every ingredient is really balanced. Now I will add the seasoned grilled mackerel fish. I debone the fish, as you can see. You can decide to leave the bone. Please, the choice remains yours. Do whatever that makes you happy when cooking your meals, okay? The vegetable is in already, as you can see. Cover and allow it to simmer for just 2 minutes. Please don't allow the vegetable to overcook so that it won't lose its nutrients. After 2 minutes, open and stir in the vegetable, remove from the heat, and enjoy. On this junction, Virtuous family, easy way to prepare unripe plantain porridge when you don't have all the time is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, this is one of the very simple, easy and healthy meal you can think of when you don't have all the time, and it is very much ready, as you can see. The porridge plantain is so inviting and delicious. I'm so hungry that I want to start eating immediately because I've been so busy throughout the day. But how can I just start eating without taking my thumbnail? Will you try this plantain porridge? Yes, you will. Please try it and tag us for your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.